Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining exactly what problem the SEO tool must solve and why that matters to your workflow. Identify must-have features, for example keyword research and site crawl, then set a realistic budget and desired trial length. Once done, collect stakeholder access and payment details so you can move quickly. Make sure to choose tools with simple onboarding. It speeds testing and prevents wasted time. Now you're ready to search providers and sign up for trials. You run parallel trials and measure the how and the why. How accurate is ranked data? Why does crawl depth matter for your site size? Test core workflows end-to-end, import keywords, run a crawl, export reports, and time the steps. Also verify integrations with GA and Search Console so data syncs automatically. After testing, score each tool on ease, cost per feature, and team adoption. Once scored, eliminate tools that fail practical tests. You finalize by selecting the best scoring tool and negotiating seats, renewal terms, and add-ons to control costs. Then onboard your team with accounts, permissions, and a 30-day success checklist so everyone knows how to use it. If something goes wrong, first clear caches and rerun tests, then gather logs and screenshots before contacting support so they can reproduce the issue. Finally, schedule a 14-day check-in to confirm the tool meets your KPIs and to adjust settings if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.